Welcome to your daily dose of savvy home decor solutions. Unearth the treasure trove of 10 cost-effective DIY home decorating websites. Firstly, we have Home Stories A to Z, a delight for DIY lovers showcasing real home transformation stories. Next, The Budget Decorator, a haven for those seeking style on a shoestring budget. Addicted to Decorating follows suit, with a plethora of DIY projects to transform your space. The fourth gem is Sensational Style, merging style and savings in one stop. Then, Remodelaholic, a site for those not afraid to roll up their sleeves and get their hands dirty. Number 6 is Thrift Diving, where thrifty meets trendy. Seventh, we have Pretty Handy Girl, a site that empowers you to create your dream space. Moving on, the DIY Show-Off invites you to show off your DIY prowess. Number 9, the Shabby Creek Cottage, offering rustic and affordable ideas. And finally, In My Own Style, a site that encourages you to put a personal spin on your decor. Remember, creativity is the key to a home that reflects you. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating.